Hey, what's up? I hope you're doing well. It's John with Be Superfly here to talk about Divi events. I love this plugin. This thing is perfect for sites that need events shown on their website, but you don't want to install Events Calendar or Events Calendar Pro. You don't need payment registration stuff. You don't even need a calendar view. Then this plugin is for you just to show simple events in either a grid layout like this or a list view like this. Supports multiple days, as you can see here, 11 through 12. So I want to hop over to the demo site here and show some cool features. Right off the bat, you probably see that, oh, it's not a 3x3 grid. It can be. It can be a 3x3 grid like this, or you can set it to however many columns that you want within reason. So let's go in and check this thing out and take it for a spin. All right. So here's my main events page here. And so this is just a Divi page, and I went ahead and I added the Divi events module. So let me go down here below here and let's just try to add one. If I type in events, you'll see we have, or just event, we have the main Divi events module. This will go where you want your events to show, like your events page, like this here. And then we have this individual Divi event date module. That's for the actual individual event page. I'll cover that here in a little bit. But anyway, so here's a Divi events module, and very simple to use. I'm deciding just to show 2 events here, and then my columns here. I'm setting 2 columns here on desktop. Tablet, I'm also setting 2. Remember, I'm only showing 2 events here. And then mobile, I'm cutting down to 1. But here, I could cut this down to 1. You know, if I wanted to, I'll leave it at 2 for now. Or I can say, hey, I want to show 3 events. Now, right now, I only have 2 showing because, number 1, I put 2 here. Let me change this to 3. And now it's showing all my events. I got 1 event in the past here and 2 events in the future. You can change that down here, which event should be shown. Let's just show upcoming ones. I only have 2 of those, so it's only going to show 2. If I had more, it would show more. And then let's see, what else? Let's go back to show all. That way, options, show button, show excerpt, all that great stuff. Custom date format. So it's here. You can click this help icon. It'll show you how you can use some of the date formatting to give you different date and time. Here we go. Different date and time examples here. So you just grab this here. Or you can say, you know what, I just want to show the date only, or show date and time, all that great stuff. I'm going to go back to custom here, though. Okay, and then here is the image crop. We can do the full image. So these are all the same size, but if they were different sizes, then if you do full image crop, it's gonna be different sized images, which we have that because we realize that some folks for an event might have like a poster that they want to show here. And normally if you do a 16 by 9 crop, it's going to crop that poster, and there might be text on that poster. So we included this full size here. And then here's the other options: a square, 4 by 3, 16 by 9, or you can set a fixed height, which can be kind of cool, especially on like tablet and mobile. But let me go back. Let me just do 4 by 3. And then of course here you got some design options for the title, text, all this stuff right here, the overlay that you want, things like that. That's all in here. And I think that's pretty much it for this module here. So let me go ahead and save this, and then I'll show an individual event. All right, so you can use the theme builder for the individual event. So here I have a theme builder template that is set to use all Divi events right here. Or you could single them out if you wanted to, but all Divi events is great. And so then I can go in here, and this is my featured image. And then here's the date module we were talking about. It's the Divi event date module, and you can choose show start date, show end date. So if it's just a 1 day event, we can get rid of that. Display options here, custom date format, same kind of deal. All right, let me go ahead and get out of here, save that. And let's go and actually look at some events. So if I come here to the Divi events area, oh, I gotta save my changes up here. Divi events area here. Let's do feature event 1 here. I'll go ahead and launch this one, or I could add a new one. But down here you can see I can set my start date, my end date. In this example, they're both the same. So this is the future event 1. Let me go ahead and go to this. Let me go ahead and turn that off here. Let me go ahead and go to this event, future event 1. Great, here we are. Okay, here. Oh yeah, military time. So we got so we got 12. There we go. We can set the time here and stuff. But let me go ahead and edit this with the builder. So yeah, I can edit this how I see fit. Very handy. Or let me get out of here. Let's go back to one that a more simple one here. Let's go to like feature event 2 here. Of course, it's all using the feature event 2. Let me go in here and edit. Yeah, it's all using Divi Builder. So super fun and easy to customize these. So if you did have a ticket link or something like that, you could link out here. Our plugin doesn't accept payment. It's just a simple way to show events on your website. And that is basics of Divi event. So again, super simple plugin to show your events. So fun to work on this. We always welcome feedback. Let us know if you have any. All right, y'all. Cheers. Have a great day.